Voluverse is here, your portal to thrive. Follow along, it's all up to you. We'll guide you through with our short how-to.
Step 1, head to Meta, search Voluverse. Download the app, light as a verse. Explore the lineup waiting for you. News, sports, music, and training too. Pick a thumbnail, click with the trigger. 1 minute, 1 GB. So check your storage figure.
Want it all at once, no sweat, my friend. Cover the sensors to let downloads extend.
Music videos crafted in 3D. Feel the sound, live the symphony. Grab objects with your hands, stretch them wide. Transform your room to match your vibe.
See that menu floating near. Grab and place it, keep it clear. Left menu button brings it back.
Switch scenes, overview, stay on track. Take the reins, command the play. Hold, grab, press A, reshape the day. Pause, rewind, replay at will.
Dive into the action, time stands still. Step in someone else's shoes today. Move, see, and feel their unique way. Perfect for yoga or empathy. Experience life in 3D POV.
Hit record, capture your fun. Share with friends, your best has begun.
Logging in unlocks new ways to play. Today, curated content on display. We're just scratching the surface, more to come. Creators, websites, the future's begun. So what are you waiting for? Let's take the ride. Download Voluverse and step inside.